Oh my God, I want to big up every Jamaican right now. There is so much to celebrate in Jamaica right now. There is a surge of job opportunities as recently announced. We have seen that there are jobs left, right, and center. The demand for workers, so much so that it can't be filled. Yes, there are jobs in almost every sector, maybe all sectors, and there are not enough workers. Not only that, we're celebrating the fact that Messi is here, family and friends, the GOAT. Oh my God, big up every baller, big up every Jamaican right about now. I know that you're feeling so super inspired for the fact that someone who has focused so much time and energy on being great and has been an excellent baller, sportsman, entertainer. God, Jamaica, we are winning. We are winning so much that we are still poor when it comes on to customer service. We're winning so much that we're still treating each other so poorly, as if we're almost non-existent and don't matter, especially when we're spending money. Especially when we want customer service excellence. Especially when we give you your money, or rather our money, but hey, we gave it to you, so it's yours now. And then everything just goes down the drain. From renting houses, from banking, from doing business at government entities, registering your business, doing all sorts and sundry with your money. Doing business in Jamaica is like a hell and a hassle, because you have to wonder if the people here doing business with you, or who is supposed to deliver service to you and assist you, if they hate their jobs. But remember, there is a surge in jobs right now and job availability. So if you don't like one job, you'd have come out of the other. But then I'm seeing where online users are saying that business owners and employers want to work them 6 days for the week, 14 hours out of those 6 days, and still give them that minimum wage salary. Oh yeah, 40 hours for the week, minimum wage when you work certain kind of jobs. Yeah, you get a $15,000, but yet still other jobs that are demanding you work all 80 hours for the week. Father Almighty is giving you the same minimum wage. But it's not just that. It's the fact of how we treat each other poorly. It's the fact of how we fail to recognize each other as human beings. So we have lost our humanity. So it's even gone deeper and worse on the fact, or than the fact that we have culturalized poor service. We don't care or know anything about customer support. Yet there are so many BPOs delivering customer service excellence to other businesses, not in this country mostly. And there are departments that are dedicated to customer care in big establishments, government entities, small business enterprises. Customer service and customer support is something mentioned, but not something done. As a matter of fact, if we go anywhere and get any form of customer service excellence, it's foreign to us. We don't know how to react. It's weird to us. Is something bad going to happen? I'm getting customer service that is too good. She's too nice. He's so helpful. Oh my God, what are we going to do? How do we feel? We as Jamaicans have definitely culturalized poor customer service. I'd like to say that, yeah, Jamaica really does have the worst customer service in the world. And no, I haven't gone to every country, but it is so bad, might as well just rally it off and tally it off as the worst in the world. Because if it gets anything worse than what it already exists as, it might just be murder. And I am talking government entities and enterprises, banks. I am talking even the corner shop. We as Jamaicans, we don't value each other. We have lost our humanity. We have lost our respect. So much so that when persons are spending money to sustain our own jobs and businesses, we don't even want to give them that respect. It's as if you are doing the person who is spending their money a favor. You can't get to even purchase what you want with your own money, because it seems as if businesses have unethical practices out here. Boy, I don't know what to say. But if you have had any form of customer service excellence and the businesses who you have gotten it from, don't be afraid to put it into the comments. The whole idea of Jamaica no problem is a big problem. because we're just can't bother thing about we. We have actually culturized can't bother. We have culturized poor service. We have culturized in Jamaica just this whole third world mentality. All of us in schools, in classrooms, we have done it. And it's not going to get any better because when we do try, persons either laugh it off, cast you as crazy, the entire situation like a third world nation would. Yet still we're supposed to be a developing state. Yet still we're supposed to be in the area where customer support and customer service excellence is at an all-time peak, because even the same persons who give you bad customer service when they are on the opposite side doing business and they're a customer somewhere, they demand such excellence. Imagine that. Now, I could name out scenarios up on top of scenarios where I've had and experienced bad customer service. I can count out scenarios where I've gone to the bodies, aka the Consumer Affairs Commission, and gone through the details to get customer service or get some kind of satisfaction or help, to no avail, family and friends. And I'm talking about even courier companies where you'd send down your goods, where you purchase things online. I'm talking about where you go and register your business with these same government agencies and their customer service is below par, non-existent. I'm talking about call centers where one would even themselves go and apply for a job of customer service and the trainers there have no customer service. They don't even know what communication is or what it means to deliver that kind of excellence.